Hey there. I'm Patricia, your Rideshare Angel. And in this video, I will be showing you Austin Airport. Uber and Lyft drivers, this is where you would need to go, to the rideshare lot in every airport in order to fall into queue. And once you fall into queue, then when a passenger arrives at the airport, then it'll let you know, they will select you, and then you will be able to drive to the terminal and pick them up. Unless you go to the rideshare lot in that specific airport, or however they have it set up, you will not be able to pick up a passenger. With this, it is always great to know where the rideshare lots are at the airport, so you'll know where to get into queue and be able to pick up your passenger. Now, this is part of my airport series that I have going on. I just recently did a video on San Antonio Airport and how to pick up a passenger from there. That airport only had one rideshare lot. It's a smaller airport. Austin is about an hour away. I hear people make more money there at times because of the distance from the airport to the inner city once you're taking someone into the city. So, of course, you have more of a possibility to make more money. Now, again, like every video, this is for my Uber and Lyft drivers and my new and existing drivers. If you don't know, you don't know. And not every airport publicizes where the rideshare lot is. Now, don't get me wrong. Uber and Lyft do have it to where you can navigate to those lots, but like everything, not always easy to get there. So why not share on how to get to the Austin lot? I recently did a video on San Antonio Airport, and I asked a few of my subscribers and viewers to let me know if there was another airport that they would like for me to do a tutorial on. And one of my subscribers DM'd me and asked me if I can do Austin. And I was happy to do so. So come with me. Let me show you. So we're coming into Austin Airport, and so what you can do is you can click go to Austin Airport lot and it will navigate you, but come with me, let me show you. So now we are driving into Austin Airport. Welcome to Austin International Airport. And over to our right, we can take that first right, but I'm going to choose to take the second right. With the second right, I'm a landmark type of girl, so there'll be a plaque that'll say Spirit of Austin Lane cell phone lot. You'll go around the roundabout and you'll come up to the Spirit of Texas Drive. Then you'll make a left. Again, over to your left is the gas station of Subway. Then we'll be making a right here onto rental car lot. And you'll take this all the way down to the orange cones. And then you'll turn into the lot. And here is where you will sit, you will get into queue, and it will let you know. But while you wait, we are here, we are looking at the vending machines, and we have a unisex bathroom. It's okay, it's pretty clean. And we have a sink, and we have microwave, and that's it. So now let's get back in the car, assuming that we have our passenger and ready to go pick up. We've already accepted our ride. Now we're heading out. Now at this time, you'll be getting direction on how to pick your passenger up. But until then, let's continue. So you can only make a right here, so make a right. And we're going to take this to our first stop sign, which is going to be the Spirit of Texas Drive. Now I'm going really fast, speeding up the video just to hurry up and get us to the destination. Cross over here, and we're going to keep all the way up until we see this blue sign that's going to say terminal, and you're going to make a right. Now, it's very important. Of course, the airport isn't busy right now, but when it starts to get busy, you want to try to get over to your far left as soon as possible. Your far left is where the lane you would need to be to go to the area where you need to pick up your passenger. And you want to follow the signs that say rental car. Then you will start to see signs that will say ride app and rental car, rental return, and taxi. Then you'll start to see another sign that would just say ride app and taxi. Now you'll stand to your left this entire time. At this time, your app should be showing you which letter and number your passenger is located, and also their name. And again, it'll still be showing you arrows on how to get to your passenger. I know at one time Austin Airport had a ticket system, but they don't have that right now. So this is where you pull up. I noticed everything is mentioned Uber at the Austin Airport, which is interesting to me. It's almost like Lyft said, I'm not going to pay for anything, or I don't know why Lyft isn't shown in any of the mile markers or the markers. But of course, this is Uber and Lyft pickup for the passengers. So the passenger would tell you where they're located. You'll then pick them up, put their bags in the car, and exit out of here. So let's boogie, boogie, boogie on out of here. And of course, now you would change, accept the ride with your passenger and head to now their destination or where they're going. So now what I would like to do, because like I mentioned, Austin has two lots because they have two airports, so to speak. They have their larger airport, which is the first one. And then now we're going over to South Terminal, which is their second rideshare app. Now, if you're in the first rideshare app, your lot in the larger terminal, you will not be able to pick up a passenger from the South Terminal lot unless you were over in the South Terminal lot. So you'll be following this road all the way down to, you'll see South Terminal signs and general aviation, and then we'll be making a right here. Now this airport is about 15 to 20 minutes away from the larger airport. So of course I've got this video going super fast to try to get us to the terminal or get us to the actual rideshare lot over on the South Terminal area. We're passing Pierce Road. I'm slowing down just so you can kind of see that, of course, there's a distance, and not to do what I did. I turned to the left there one time. So now we'll be making a right here. And this is us heading to the South Terminal. Like I told you, it's almost like 15 to 20 minutes away. I normally fly from Frontier, so I'm familiar with this area. But again, if you're not, you don't know. So now you make a right on to, let's make a right here. And now we're going into the South Terminal area. And you're going to take this all the way down till we get to a roundabout. Now we're here at the roundabout. You want to take the second exit, not the first one. So you want to miss that one. Go to the second one. And don't you see that big old plane tail sticking out? That's normally the sign to let you know that's the right road. And you just take this road, and I like, of course, always do the speed limit, but I love how you can kind of go like that. I like driving. I do. So now we are quickly approaching the South Terminal. And you see this car in front of me. They are about to do the wrong thing, which is turn left here. There's clearly a do not enter sign. You have to go around the way I'm going to show you. So that is bad, bad, bad. So we are now coming around. And this is where you would come to pick up your passenger or drop off your passenger. These are the two airlines that are here housed at the South Terminal. And we will continue to go around. Again, remember to subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell so you can see the next airport video that I'll be doing. I have a few more. And so we'll be pulling up here where you see the sign that says Lyft, Uber, taxi only. We'll be making a left into this lot. And this is, once you turn into the lot, is when you will now get put into queue. So this is you being in queue for the South Terminal only. There's no way you can be at the other rideshare. There's no way that you can be at the other rideshare parking lot and get a ride for the South Terminal. Enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and share. And also, most importantly, and I would truly appreciate it if you can subscribe, click that notification bell, and until next time, bye.